Yeah, so problem 15 says the circumference of the circle with center O is divided into 12 arcs, marked the letters A through L as seen below. And we want to know what is the number of degrees in the sum of the angles X and Y. So uh, in this question, basically, we have 12 equal arcs. We know an entire circle, like an entire circle is 360 degrees, right? Since we're going like in one circle, like, so it's gonna be 360 degrees in the 12 arcs in total. And that means each arc, so 12 of these arcs are gonna 12 of these arcs are gonna represent 360 degrees. So that tells us that each of these arcs, one arc is going to be 360 over 12. So each arc is represent 30 degrees. So notice that like here, like we have two arcs, like E to F is one arc, F to G is an arc. So that means we have two arcs. So two arcs, if one arc is 30, that means two arcs is 60. So that means this angle here is going to be 60 degrees. And that tells us that if this is 60 degrees, then this yellow angle here, that's going to be 120 degrees. And notice that like AO is going to have the same length as OE since they're both radii of the circle. So OA equals OE. So if this angle is X, that means this angle is also X. Since it's an isosceles triangle and its base angles are equal. So to find what X would be, we would just do X plus 120, which are the three angles in the triangle. And this would have to equal 180 degrees. So 2x is equal to 60. So x is equal to 30 degrees. Now we also need to find what is the measure of angle y. So basically, we notice that, like, again, from I to H and H and H to G, that's two arcs. So by the same logic, this angle here is also going to be 60 degrees. And again, since OI equals OG, that means if this is y, that means this is also y by the base angle thing. So the sum of the angles in the triangle has to be equal to 180 degrees. So that tells us that y plus 60 has to equal 180. So 2y equals 120. So y equals 60. So we found x is 30. We found y 60. So to find our answer, we would do 30 plus 60, and we would get 90 as our answer. Mainly in this question, we had to do some angle chasing, and I guess maybe it was important to notice like the base angles, like, and the isosceles triangles that were present in the diagram.